G got the bang.
What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Somali coming on here with another video. You guys, I am feeling like Beyonce. And what's that movie? Fighting Temptations. I'm feeling like Beyonce in Fighting Temptations, boo-boo. Singing, sweet low. Sweet, sweet, sweet cherry. That's how I feel. So you guys, I was sent this hair from the Amazon company called Youngther or Youngther. I will put the link down below because, honey, they do not sell this two-tone hair in beauty supply stores. So you need to get on it. You need to get on it. I love it. I absolutely freaking love it. So the company actually did send me 7 packs of the two-toned Passion Twist hair in the color T27, and honey, I cannot emphasize how much I love this freaking hair. So this is the packaging, and I will show you guys originally how it looks. This is how it looks in the package. And out of the 7 packs of hair, I did use 5 packs. So as you can see, 5 packs pretty much gets you a full installation. Full installation. This is how it looks out of the packaging. And it is in the length 18 inches. And this is literally down my back. Like, literally down my back. Yeah, like it's like hip length. It's literally like hip length. How I installed the hair, I did brush it out so that I can get some fullness and get these nice, pretty juicy passion twists. I did use 2 curls per section. However, for my front for my front sections, like here and here and here and here, I only use 1 because I don't want unnecessary tension on my edges. You feel me? We trying to flourish in 2020. So how long did it take me? It took me about 5 hours, you guys. 5 hours to do my freaking hair. I don't know what I was thinking in my previous video. It took me about 14, 15 hours, but that's because I was procrastinating and my sections were smaller. These are medium-sized sections, which I appreciate because, you know, I got done a little bit quicker, a lot quicker. I've gotten so many compliments. It's crazy. Everybody's like, where did you get your hair from? Where did you get your hair from? Because, you guys, it's two-toned. So the bottom of the hair is T27, I believe. And the top is a beautiful 1B color, like my natural hair. So it's just so freaking perfect. It's so freaking perfect, and I love it so much. If you guys would like to see how I installed my hair, then just go ahead and check out my easy how-to passion twist tutorial. And I did do this a little bit differently because the first time I used beeswax for my base, and this time I decided to use the Gorilla Glue. And what that did is it gave me a stronger base compared to the beeswax. I noticed that with the beeswax my hair was a little bit looser, but with this is definitely like way more sturdy. And to twist the remaining hair, I did go ahead and use the Cantu Shea Butter. Focus, focus, focus on me. And this is a leave-in conditioning cream. It repairs hair damage, leaves hair soft and manageable. So I did curl my ends in order to get this little cute boho look. I did not have to curl my ends in my previous passion twist video, but I did have to curl my ends with this hair. And you guys, this hair is so soft. It's so natural. Like, if I'm going to compare this hair compared to the hair in my previous passion twist video, that hair had a very high luster and it was very shiny, and it did not match the naturalness of my hair. This hair, boo-boo, this hair blends right in with my texture. It's super light, it's super full. Like, I just love it. I love it so much, and I didn't have an issue curling the hair at all. I'll insert a clip so you guys can see how I curled it.
She wants to lean, she want the Gucci. I ride with some harness on me, I got the blue cheek. Pull up in a Jeep, I put it on for a G. I want your body on the front seat. We gon' for an hour, then we gon' move to the back seat. When you give me a lap dance, baby, watch for the gap, please. Run it back, run it back, run it back, run it back like a track meet. Baby, relax me, you ain't gotta ask me. I blew a back.
Oh, also, you guys, when you order this hair from this Amazon company, they give you everything that you need already. Like, you don't need to go to the store and buy a crochet needle because they got you one. They got you covered. They also give you a little hand mirror. See, I can appreciate stuff like this. I love it when companies do stuff like this. I don't care. Like, just give me something for free. Give me something for the free. They also give you these little jewels to put on your hair. I haven't put these on yet, but I will. We'll wait on it. Also give you these 2 hair clips, which I just think this company is so thoughtful. Like, I love it when companies have everything packaged how you need it already, so you don't have to start on your hair and then be like, oh God, I don't have a clip. They brought you a clip. So you guys, I want to thank you so much for watching this video. Again, if you would like to see the tutorial and how I installed my passion twist, go ahead and watch my easy passion twist video. I will put the link down below. Make it real easy for you. Feel me? And make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.
She want the Gucci. I ride with some harness on me, I got the Gucci. Pull up in a Jeep, I put it on for a G. I want your body, give me something on the front seat.